Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Frank Hand here, and it is absolutely great to see you this morning. Now, this morning is Saturday morning, so I'm gonna keep this review fairly short. Now, by far, one of the most profitable way to make money online is having your own product or selling your own product, and chances are you're already getting a lot of white label bonuses as you purchase to me. So why not list that as your own product, start selling it online, right? Well, if I had to guess, is that the fact that number one, there's technical issues, right? So you have to buy very expensive membership scripts to set up, to learn it, host build of it, and then you gotta have a pretty decent thing to set up as your store, right? Well, today I'm gonna help you solve that problem by introducing this product called WPDigiPro. So this software basically gonna help you solve the fact that you don't have to, for example, using JVZoo to selling your product. You can just using this plugin, install it, configure it. You can instantly using as you own. You can do this as membership, recurring. So if you own a blog, maybe you want to selling part of the turn your blog into a membership sites as well. This plugin help you do that. Normally, plugins script I haven't seen around 97 to 197 each year to make you pay it again. For very limited time, you're gonna grab this just for well, the lowest price range is $29 for single domain. If you want to get 100 domain license, and you're gonna pay $50 for this. Now, compared to what I used to pay, this is a pretty cool deal. All right, so I'm gonna talk about the pros and the cons, and I'm gonna show you exactly how this works here in the next couple of minutes. And this product is actually alive. Okay, so here is the sales page, and they talk about easy 3 steps, all that great stuff. I'm going to talk about what it really takes to get this set up, okay? All right, so let's go, without further ado, let's go watch a very quick demo video about this, and I'll be right back.
Hi guys, Santosh Singh here, and this is a very quick demo video of WPDigiPro. So this is the settings area of WPDigiPro, and currently I don't have any add-on installed. So first tab, you see all the payment gateways which we are giving away in core version, that is PayPal and to checkout. And we have developers mode also for that your testing purpose. And pages, you set all the pages like successful redirect, after successful payment, what will be the redirect page, after failed payment, where users will be heading, custom slug, right, and all the page shortcodes for login, dashboard, and other pages. And in this email templates area, you set all the emails which will be fired as soon as a particular activity happens. For example, this mail will be sent to admins when one sale is made, and here you see shortcodes which you can use in this particular default body section. In user dashboard section, you can upload logo, your background image. Currently this will be the default, but you can upload your own logo here, your own background image. Position of menu can be set, right? Currently it's here, but you can check it horizontal also. And all these button colors, etc. of the dashboard, these can be changed from this tab. Add-ons, all the licenses of paid add-ons will be mentioned here. And in other settings area, you will mention your license renewal policy, its length, the currency. So all these things are in settings area. Reporting, we have all the reporting tools, as in based on product revenues, you can draw the graph, you can have a graphical look, which product is selling better, which is not, right? And similarly, in revenue report, you see daily basis report on how many revenues are you generating per day basis, right? And in a renew report, you see what all renewals has been happened till date. And in this particular download option, you download all the expired licenses, the email IDs which has expired licenses. In transactions, you see all the transactions which have been made so far, right? All these tabs will be coming here. What was the payment mode, what was the email ID of the user, etc. And customers, you manage all your customers, their details, their licensing, etc. If someone has bought, for example, 2 products, when you click on this name, it will show you what all products they have bought, what are the licenses associated with those products. Similarly, other things. In click tracking, you can create your custom click tracking. For example, if you are running FB ad, right, you can create a custom URL by creating custom this thing, by clicking here. You can select a product, or you can create a custom URL. For example, you are directing the whole traffic to your sales page. You can put that URL here, campaign name, source name, and done. One campaign will be created. You can copy this link, and then you can send traffic to that link, and all the links will be tracked. You can create your budget, etc. also here, so that it will show you what is the ROI based on the links. If someone referred by that link buys a product, then that will be added in revenues. It's a very useful tool. Similarly, in orders, you see all the orders which have been placed so far, right? With the license keys, the dates. It has a search filter. The other filters are also there based on like product. You can filter this, and now these tags, all products add for adding products and their categories. So in all products, you see all the products which you have been created, right? Whenever you create a product, you see like this, you get a product buy now link, which can be used across your site. For example, I'm using this link on this page, particular page, right? For example, not this one, sample page is the link, right? When you click here, a pop-up will appear. It will ask for the email ID and it will be purchased. And this is the powered by DigiPro link, which you can set in your remove from your settings area. So this is a very useful feature of this plugin, this system, which allows you to share buy now links to any of the pages of your website. And here you set your pricing option. It is whether it's a one-time or recurring, right? If it's recurring, then what are the other fields: the first price, then recurring period, the price after first payment, total billing cycles, etc. And here enable licensing, whether you want to enable licensing or not. If you say yes, then how many allowed domains will be there. For example, if it's unlimited, you need mention 0, and if you want this particular product to be used on 10 domains, then maximum 10, then you need to put 10 here. Then license validity, it will be valid for years or months or whatever time. Then deliverables, all these deliverables will be added here. The deliverables which users will be getting in the dashboard area. For example, here, if someone buys one particular product, Jungle Book, then all the download will be listed here with their license keys, and the purchase, the expiry date will also be coming here. So if the license expired, they will see this renew link. When they click here, they'll be directed to the renew page, and there they can set for how many time period they want that particular license to be enabled. So this is the feature of WPDigiPro. Here you mention change log, and here redirect settings area. You can create your own funnel basically. After purchase of this product, where the users will be redirected will be mentioned here, right? So all these things will be here in when you add a product or edit a product. And this is the dashboard area where users will be able to download their products. They'll be able to manage their account, their passwords, etc. They'll be doing it from here. They can change the password, they can change their own details. Transaction history will be coming here, and for example, which particular product they have bought and what was the payment mode, invoice number, etc. And there's a logout button, of course. And one more important facility which we have given in this is, for example, if someone buys this particular link, right, and if you want to give them a direct buy now link, then what you need to do is, instead of placing this link here, you can give them a link like this one and just mention #buy now. So directly they'll be able to buy that product. They'll be able to see that pop-up which comes when they click on this particular link, right? For example, this one. This will be appearing here. So directly they can buy from here. So this is the most beautiful feature of this plugin. Similarly, we have, if I show you this edit page, right, we have membership lock pages. For example, this particular page will be shown to accessible to the buyers of which particular product. If I select all, then this particular product will be this page will be available to all those users. You just need to add this in the dashboard menu, right? And if you want to avail it for like one particular product users, then if someone buys this product, then only this product will be visible. This is the beauty of this feature, page view, locking membership pages. And this is a drift feature. For example, if someone buys a product, then after how long this product will be available. By default, it will be available immediately. But if you want that this page should be available then after 7 days, you just mention 7 here, days here, and then only this page will be available. Otherwise, it will show coming soon. So these are the awesome important features which your WPDigiPro core plugin gives you. Thank you.
So just quickly show you this is a potential store that you can build with this. So here's the product, his price, and it's very nicely designed, arranged. You can have a single product, you can have a blog, very nicely, and the responsive. It's very responsive. When you click on something, it just loads. Okay, some of the plugin you get an error message. Okay, here's the downloading area. This is once you get it, this is exactly what you've been getting. They have tutorials, they have a download link, and for all this stuff to happen. Just to let you know, this is a multi plugin. It's not just a single plugin. So you do want to install this plugin and any other plugin as you go into it. They call it the add-ons. Okay. All right. So so once you install it, this is what it looks like at the back end. You're gonna have a WPDigiPro. Just so you can handle the help desk, handle the cards. Have lots of scripts, like issue the license. So anything you can think of, they're pretty much covered. However, if you're just beginner, never set up membership before, don't expect to pick this up, get a run with it. Like the sales waiter says, easy as 1, 2, 3. It's not that. You do have to take a block like an entire day to learn this. But once you learn it, once you build a couple of sites, you should start to be as easy as 1, 2, 3, because there's a lot to understand. There's a help desk, there's a orders, there's a hookup to JVZoo, there's a hookup, there's an Amazon S3. Everything is in there, but it's how you put it. It's like when you first use this, it's like putting a big ass puzzle together. But once you solve that puzzle, it should be a whole lot easier. Is this a newbie friendly as far as the technique goes? I will not say no. Okay, is this cheaper than the other solutions out there? I would say yes. So who is this product for? This is for someone who wants to eventually start your own product by using your own WordPress solutions. Now, are there any other easier way to sell this? Sell your own product? The answer is absolutely yes. You know, for example, you can using Kickstarter, you can using JVZoo. I mean that has a learning curve as well. So there are cloud-based solution. There's like using your own plugin kind of solutions. So if you're looking for plugin kind of solutions, so you don't have to continuously pay the monthly fee, or you don't want to pay the transaction fees, this is a great solution for you. Now, however you want to have like ease of use, just trying to block some time, because membership script doesn't matter what kind of script you purchase, it takes learning curve. Okay, so if you push to that frustrations, you'll be okay. All right, so make sure that this is what WPDigiPro is all about. So if you feel this is the right product for you, make sure you claim cookies and graph them link below. So we're gonna send you all kinds of bonuses. This time we got some huge bonuses down here. You can check it out. We got some exclusive bonuses. We also got some we got some exclusive bonuses. Some product you can instantly sell as your own. And then we got some fast action bonus for you to sell as well. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Huge bonus package. If you're gonna buy this, make sure you buy it to me so we can send you all kinds of cool stuff. Again, this is your friend Han. Until next time, keep smiling. I'll be talking to you in the next exciting video. Cheers.